FK Bearing Group Company, Limited, was originally founded in 1969 and always focuses on bearing units in the past 50 years. FK has complete industrial chain automatic factory of its own. Now FK is one of the biggest bearing parts factories in China with annual production and sales up to 18 million pieces. The reliability, simplicity and ease of assembly of FK bearing units has resulted in their popularity in sectors of agricultural machinery, mining equipment, textile machinery, plants, woodworking machinery, lifting machine, packaging machinery, fitness equipment, parking equipment and construction machinery as well as process and automation equipment.